The tools that are going to be needed to assemble any of our products are going to be either socket sets, open-end wrenches, or a combination. The sizes 7/16 and 9/16 in either combination. So let's get started doing our receiver mounted products. You'll have the receiver base and the receiver upright, the adjustable upright with the flange that you're going to have to mount the arm to. This will be able to give you 3 size adjustments. This will be the closest one to the ground, a little bit higher, medium, and then the highest point, which is a 6-inch difference. What we like to have it is when you're installing it is have it to be 14 to 21 inches off the ground, from the ground to the mounting of the flange. To mount this is very simple. You're going to have 4 holes, so we're going to use 4 1-inch, 1/4 inch by 1 inch screws. I find the easiest is just to put a couple of them in, like that, flip it, take in your lock nut with, or lock washer with a lock nut, and it is kind of hard to get your fingers, so you're going to be missing a little bit there. All I'm doing is lining it up on the bolt and just turning it with my thumb. Once all 4 bolts are started, now it's easier just to do the adjustment and tighten them. Make sure all nuts and bolts are tight. So now we have our assembled receiver base and upright.